Hello, we are from the University of Florida, and we are so excited to be competing in this year's Designathon. So we chose problem one, which is using the concept of modular units to develop habitable units for space pioneers. We wanted to thank you so much for this opportunity. We absolutely loved working on our project, and we're excited to share what we've been working on.
So the main theme of our design was to address the mental and physical needs of the astronauts. Some of their concerns were homesickness. Just being on the moon is obviously very different from being on Earth. So our plan is to use VR and AR technology so they have control over their surroundings and they can kind of set it to wherever. So the VR and the AR will use light changes to help combat any offset from their circadian rhythm, because that can definitely affect their physical and mental health. And different biophilic designs using organic shapes and curves will also help provide them with comfort. So the first sketch on the left, there is a gathering space, a kitchen, social, and private offices in the middle that branches out to bathrooms, workout room, art room / VR room in the foyer and the entrance and exit, and then pods. And then the bottom sketch, it has the screens all around with the rooms on the second floor. And the top right sketch is just another biophilic design with the curves to show kind of a natural type of movement.
So this slide actually is what makes our project so unique. We took aspects of the other problem given to us and used the International Space Station as such good evidence for the basis of our project. So as you can see here in this little graphic, we zoom into one piece of the International Space Station that we thought would be best to use as a modular element to base our design off of. So because we are doing private pods for each person, we chose something that was at a smaller human scale as evidence for that from something that NASA has already designed. So that was extremely helpful in going into our design.
For these renders, this is a show of the gathering spaces we could have, as well as how we could implement the screen. It has the screen on the outside that can be used to display a different theme, such as the nature scene we have in there, and then a screen on the inside of the curve that can be used to display like work or a video call or anything else the astronauts want. The purpose of this entire design is to be better connected to the Earth to fight the psychological effects of isolation and help the astronauts do their best work while on the moon.